just really nice. It looks very low maintenance because bamboo, you don't really have to do too much to it. And there's not a lot of grass to keep mowed, but you can have your garden beds, grow food. Wow! And even park an RV. Wait, I'm not recording. How do I do it?
구독, 좋아요 해주세요.
구독, 좋아요, 해주세요. Hello, here we are at another house in Eugene. This one is in a neighborhood that's very well developed. It's around a lot of other houses that are very nice, and it's pretty quiet in this area. So I will show you inside. This one is a one-story house. It has these beautiful pillars. It has a very large patio on the front. And the inside is wonderful. As you walk in, the first thing you notice is how large these vaulted ceilings are. So nice. This is the sitting area, the front little living room area. There's a fireplace with a mantle. There's enough space for couches, chairs, however you'd like to decorate this. It's really spacious, and I am told that the linoleum flooring that we have in this house is the highest quality luxury linoleum, so it's really nice. It feels really nice on my feet too. So you'll walk through this archway, and on the right is the kitchen. And this one is a pretty nice large kitchen. It has the sink and an island area, and it has a gas grill on the stovetop. It looks to me that the appliances are brand new as well. They're stainless steel. There's a lot of room for storage in this kitchen, and I really like how it's laid out. It seems very functional. There's also another little dining room area right here. Not another, but this is the dining room area. And I have to show you the backyard. This is my favorite feature of the house. Okay, so the backyard, as you can see, has a patio, and it's covered by this lovely awning. I love the way that they put the lights up on it as well. There's enough room for grills and a table out here. Look at their cute little s'mores station. That's a nice touch. But lining the patio area is bamboo, which I've actually never seen in a Eugene house before. But this one gives it a really nice touch. I love the way it looks. There is a fire pit, more seating space, there's a shed, there's garden beds, and around the side of the house they have an RV parked. So you have enough room to have an RV, and it's just really nice. It looks very low maintenance because bamboo, you don't really have to do too much to it. And there's not a lot of grass to keep mowed, but you can have your garden beds, grow food. Wow! And even park an RV. So I love this area. So beautiful. They did a really good job on this awning. Very high quality. But as we go back inside, so right next to the kitchen and the dining room, you have another living room space. They've actually turned this into like a playroom area for their kids, which is really cute. They have maybe stuff for homeschool too, I don't know. But this area is really nice. You can put a couch here, you can put chairs, very open. And then I'll show you bedrooms. This is bedroom number 1 that they've created to be a nursery. So I love the wall. They have it painted as little mountains, which is adorable. They have a bed in here. The window overlooks the front porch. And we have more bedrooms down this hallway. On the right, there's the master bedroom. This gives a nice view of the backyard, but I like that the molding is really nice and white. Pretty brand new. It's really fresh in here. There's a walk-in closet and a bathroom. You have double sink, the cabinets underneath, which is really nice. These could use just a little bit of touching up, but not too bad. There's a shower and a toilet. So that is the master bedroom with the bathroom. And then you have the bathroom down here. So this has one sink the shower and bath, toilet, and this is going to be shared between the other bedrooms. Here is the other bedroom. It's so cute. Bedroom number 2. This is for their little girl, so they have it decorated really nicely. If you didn't want this blue accent wall, you could easily paint it, but this is a pretty nice little bedroom. And then across the hall, you have storage space, this lovely closet, and you have finally the laundry room, and this leads out into the 2-car garage. So that is the tour of the house. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.